gets him. And he didn't go, that's high. It's the first run of the game. Ground ball, and Bremer will make the play. Strikes him out to end the game, so the Lightning take game 1 by a score of 1-0. Right. Congratulations on game 1, guys. You guys, you didn't really have the bats going today, but you guys definitely threw the ball well. Talk us through your pitching today.
Our pitching?
Yeah.
Well, good.
Attack the strike zone.
Yeah. Throw strikes. That's the biggest thing. Don't let them get walks. We attack their weakness. They were throwing balls. We let them go. We scored a run.
You guys appeared confident that whole game. Was there any point where you thought they were going to rally on you?
You know what? They never really got base runners going or anything, so...
Kept on strikes, no walks.
Nobody got to second base now today.